Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect your Payoneer account to your Freelancer. So what you're going to do first is open your Freelancer and log into your account. Once you're in, just go ahead and tap on your profile at the top right corner. And under the finances, just tap on withdraw funds right here so that we can add a new payment method. So here are the payment methods right here. As you can see, there is a Payoneer, so click on that one. So since I haven't verified my identity on this Freelancer, I still have to, in order to withdraw funds or to add a payment method, I really have to verify my identity. So if you already have done this step right here or this process, then you can go ahead and put all your details about your Payoneer and then tap on confirm to add it as your payment method. So that's pretty much it. That's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!